Hello, and in this video, we are going to learn how to recover an unsaved file in Word. We all know that whenever we close a document without saving it, Word could pop up a dialog box asking us whether we want to save the document or not. And most of the time we could click Save, but every now and then we could mistakenly click on Saved and the document is gone. What's worse, this mistake usually comes at the worst possible time after we've spent hours and hours working on that document and just before an important deadline. So, what do we do? Well, if you are using Word 2013 or above, Word actually saves a temporary copy of all your unsaved files. So just open Word as usual, click on Open Other Documents, and you'll see a list of all the recent documents we've been working on, but not the one we forgot to save. Don't worry, just scroll down to the very end and you will see a magic little folder called Recover Unsaved Documents. Click on that and we will show all the documents that we forgot to save. So all we need to do is to click on the one that we need and click Open. And now save the file immediately and you are good to go. And that's it. Unsaved file will never give you a heart attack again. So happy learning and see you in the next video.